Thanks, guys, for coming out tonight. God bless you. Have a wonderful new year. We'll see you again next time. There's a song called Sugar Honey Iced Tea. Here's my son Leo on guitar, my other son Paniella on bass guitar, and Kiki, the real Anna's Barn. Sad to smile and too tired to find out why. She told me that she loved me, not before she said goodbye. She loved me so much before we made the hitch. She ran out on me, now ain't got a bum of fish.